Hi children, come we'll see the next chapter, chapter 5, okay. Revision of numbers 1 to 50, okay. Revision of numbers 1 to 50. So, the numbers we know, see what all the numbers we know children now? From number 1 to 50 we know, okay. Now, we are going to revise that, okay. That means we are going to revise, recollect that what are all the things we learned, okay, from the chapters, okay. That means from numbers 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that means 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, those are all the chapters that we saw no before, okay. That things, that numbers we are going to, okay, revise now, okay. Come we'll, that is the chapter 5, that is about the chapter 5, okay. Come we'll see, we'll do some assignments, okay, so that we can what recollect the things, we can revise the numbers, okay. Come to next page, look here, assignment 1 is there, okay, assignment 1 is there. So, what is the thing given here? Come we'll read the question, okay. Assignment 1, okay. Write the missing numbers. So, from 1 to 50 to help the boy find his way to the school. Start from 1, okay. What is the question here? Write the missing numbers. So, we should write the missing numbers. See here, the numbers are missing here, okay. We should write that numbers, okay. So, what we should do? We should write the missing numbers. For what we should write the missing numbers? So, to help the boy, see here one boy is here, okay, we should help him to find his way to the school. See, he forgot about the way to the school. This is the school. This is his school, okay. This boy's school is this, okay. Okay, he forgot the what? Way to school, how to go to school? He just forgot about that, okay. So, what we should do? We can help him by writing the missing numbers, okay. Okay, come we will help this boy children. See, we will start from 1, okay. We will start from 1. See, this boy will start from 1, okay. The place, this is the route of what? The boy which will take him to the school, okay. See, 1, 2, after 2 what will come? 3, okay. After 3, 4 is there, see. After 4, 5, okay. Go through this arrow children, see here the arrow mark is there, no. So, you go through it. So, here see here it starts from 1, the arrow mark, okay. The boy goes through this route, okay, arrow route, okay. Look here, after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, don't come here, here there is no arrow, okay. So, here, so you should not write that number here, you should go through arrow, okay. 6, after 6, 7, after 7, 8, after 8, 9, 9 is there, after 9, 10, okay. So, go through this way, okay. See here, the arrow is not there, no need to worry about that, okay. Just you put arrow, see, just put arrow and write 11. Okay, after 10 what will come? 11, okay. After 11, 12 is there, okay. After 12, what will come? 13. And see the next, the line, see the line. So, it is going to this what? This place, okay, this place, okay. So, you put arrow and what is the next number? 14, okay. After 14, see 14 you wrote, okay. After that, we should go to here, this place, we should go to this place, okay. See here, this line is joining to this design, okay. So, what we should write? After 14, what will come? 15, okay. After 15, 16. So, now after 16, we should not go here, there is no line in between, okay. So, here the line is connecting, so we should go here, okay. After 16, 17, okay. After 17, 18, like that, what? We should write the numbers, okay. If we write the numbers and finish it, we will come to the school, so that the boy will come with you to his school, okay. If you write the numbers, the boy will also come with you and you can take him to the school, okay. Understood children? How nice, no? Okay. So, help the boy to reach his school, okay, in time. Come, we will go to the next page. Assignment 2. Okay. Write the following numbers in the serial order. Okay. Serial order, that means in order we should write. Okay. Understood? So, we should write the numbers in the order. Okay. How it will come? No, that's the order. Okay. Come, we will see the sum, first sum from 2 to 8. Okay. So, we should write the numbers in from 2 to 8 in serial order. That means in what? In series. Okay. That means what will come in next number you should write from 2 to 8. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Understood, children? So, in this way we should write the numbers. Okay. Look here, what's the next sum? From 16 to 22. So, what we should do, write? We should write the numbers from 16. Okay. So, start first you write 16 from 16. No, so you write 16. From 16 you should write up to 22. Okay. Up to 22. So, you 22 write here. Okay. Up to 22 you write here. So, from 16, after 16 what will come? 17. After 17, 18. After 18, 19. After 19, 20. After 20, 21. After 21, 22. See, already 22 is there, no? So, you should write the number in series. Okay. Okay. In ascend, that means next number what will come? No, that you should write. Okay. Come, we will see the next one. From 25 to 31. So, what we should do? We should write the numbers from 25 to 31. Okay. Understood? So, write the numbers, children. You know now after 25 what will come? Write like that so that you can finish, get the answer. See, after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Understood? So, in this way you can do this assignment. Okay. 2 more sums are there, you do it, children. Okay. Come, we will see the next one. Assignment 3. Write the number in the box against the number name. So, what we should write? We should write the number for the given number name. These are all the number name. That is the number written in words. Okay. Number name, name of the number. Okay. We should write the number for this number name. Okay. See, 27. So, 27 is there. This is the number for this word, 27. Come, we will see the next one. 12. 12, we know, no, 12. Okay. 45. So, 45. Okay. 45. 40. 40. Okay. 43. 43. Okay. 34. 34. Okay, 30 is what? What? 34. Okay, like that you should write the number name for the given number 34. Okay, understood, children? Come, we will do that. Next, see, so many number names are there. You should write the number for this given number name. Understood? Come, we will go to the next assignment. Assignment 4. Okay, assignment 4. Write tens and ones for the following numbers. We should write the tens. How many tens are there in that number and how many ones are there in that number we should write. Okay. See here, 9. Okay. What's the first sum? 9. What we should do? We should write the tens and ones for that given number. Okay. 9. How many tens are there, children, here? 0 tens. There is no tens here. We know this place is for tens place, no, first place. Okay. Only ones is there here. And how many ones are there? 9 ones are there. Okay. 0 tens, 9 ones. Okay. So, how many tens, how many ones are there in 9? 0 tens, 9 ones. See, what's the next number? 30. So, 30, how many tens are there? This is the tens place, 3 tens are there. Okay. 30, 3 tens are there. And how many ones are there? 0 ones are there. Okay. How many ones are there? 0 ones are there. So 3 tens and 0 ones is 30. Understood? Come, we'll see the next one. 49. Okay. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. How many ones are there? 9 ones are there. Okay. So this is tens place, this is ones place. So for 4 tens are there and 9 ones are there. 4 tens and 9 ones makes 49. Understood? So in this way you do the remaining sums. Okay, children. Come, we'll go to next page. Assignment 5. What's the question? Put the appropriate sign, okay, for greater than or less than between the given numbers. Okay. So what we are going to do here? We are going to compare two numbers. Okay. We are going to compare the given two numbers. Okay. So that we should put the crocodile mouth to the greater number. That we know, no, crocodile will eat the greater number, bigger number. Okay. So this is, see here, this is the crocodile mouth, no. So this will eat the bigger number. Come, we will do, come, put that sign for the given number. Okay. See here, one has been done for you. Come, we will do the next one. What are the numbers given here? 31, 29, 31, 29. See, in this, which is the greater number? 31. Which is the smaller number? 29. We know, no, 30, after 29, 31 will come. That means after 29, 30, 31, that we know, no. So that we can tell that which is the greater number? 31 compared to 29. So we should put the crocodile mouth towards the bigger number. See, 31 is greater than 29. 31 is greater than 29. Okay. Come, we will do the next sum. 36. What are the number here? Compare 36 and 42. These are all the numbers given. 36, 42. Which is the greater number? We know 42 is the greater number. So put the crocodile mouth towards 42. So, and we can read like this, 36 is less than 42. 36 is smaller than 42. Okay. Smaller than 42. Understood, children? So in this way we can what? Compare the given numbers. Come, I will do one more sum. 35, 24. These are all the two numbers given. We should compare it. Which is greater number? 35 compared to 24. So put crocodile mouth towards the greater number. So 35 is greater than 24. Okay. Understood, children? Come, we'll see. So many sums are there. So do it on your own. Okay. So that you can understand and you can do it in your exams. Assignment 6. What is the question? Write the numbers in the ascending order. So what we should do? We should write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means we know from small to big number. Okay, we should write the number from small to big, ascending, climbing. Okay. See, one has been done for you. Come, we'll do the next sum. What are the numbers here given here? So we should read that number first. Okay. What are the number first? We should read 32, 29. 36. So these are all the given numbers, 32, 29, 36. So which is the small number here? 29 is the smaller number. 29. After that, which is the number, what will come? 32. After that, what will come? 36. 29, 32, 36. Okay. Understood, children? So this is the way how you should write the numbers in ascending order. Okay. Come, I will do one more sum for you. See here, what we should do? We should read the numbers first. 43, 41, 47. So these are all the given numbers. In this, which is the smaller number? 41. And after that, 43. After that, 47. 41, 43, 47. Okay, children. So in this way we can write the given numbers in ascending order. Okay. Come, we will do the one more sum is there, you do it. Okay. Come, we will do the next main. We will go to the next main. Write the numbers in the descending order. Descending order. What is descending order? That is not. We should write the numbers from greater number to smaller number. Okay, that means climbing down. From big number we should write first. After that we should write, okay, from big to small we should write. Okay. Come, we will do the sums. Look here, one has been done for you. Come, we will go to the next sum. What are all the numbers given here? 43, 50, 38. What are all the numbers? 43, 50, 38. So, in this, which is the greater number? 50. So, you write that after 50, 43, because we are writing in descending order. Okay. 43, 38. Okay. Understood, children? Okay. This is about descending order of the given numbers. Okay. See, two more sums are there. You do it on your own. Okay. Descending order, that you know, no? Big number we should write first, and after that we should write from big to small. Okay. Come, we will see the third main. Okay. Write the number which comes between. Okay. So, we know no how to do it. So, we saw it in the chapters, no, before chapters, how to write the numbers which comes between. Between means between two numbers, what is the number coming, okay, that we should find. Come, we will do that. 34. Okay. After 34 what will come? 35. After 35, 36. So, this is the number which comes between 34 and 36. Okay. Come, we will do the next one. 40, 41, 42. So, 41 is the number that comes between 40 and 42. Understood, children? In this way, do the next two sums. Okay. Come, we will see the next main. Write the number that comes just before and just after. So, what we should do? We should write the numbers just coming before and after the given number. Okay. See, here was the number given here, 35 is the given number. We should write the number which comes before. The number that comes before 35 is 34. The number that comes after 35 is 36. Now, read it: 34, 35, 36. Correct? Is it correct? Correct, no? Come, we will go to the next sum. 39 is the given number. We should write the number that comes before 39 and that comes after 39. So, what's the number that comes before 39? 38. Okay. What's the number that comes after 39? 40. And now read it: 38, 39, 40. So, we got the number that comes before and after 39. Understood, children? So, in this way, you can do the remaining sums. Okay. Now, we know the numbers from what? 1 to 50, the numbers we know, no? We know the numbers and we know how to write the number names and how many tens and ones makes that number, and also we know how to write the number in ascending as well as descending order, and also we know how to compare the number. Okay. Understood? And also we know which number will come before and after and in between the given numbers. This much we know. Okay, children. So, revise it so that you will be very clear about the numbers from 1 to 50 you will be. Okay.